What if that innocent back to school photo reveals not only your child's new backpack, but also where they go to school, where they live, and when they are likely to be there? Every year, parents take that familiar first day of school photo. Your child may be standing by the front door in a new outfit, holding a colorful sign, wearing a backpack that looks brand new, and perhaps looking excited or not quite ready for another school year. It's a wonderful tradition. These photos help us see how much our children have grown, remember what mattered to them at each age, and preserve milestones that pass by much too quickly. But before you post that picture on social media, pause and look carefully at everything the image may be revealing. A school name on a sign, uniform, backpack, bus, or building can identify where your child spends much of the day. A house number, street sign, bus stop, or recognizable landmark can reveal where your family lives. And some of those popular first day signs include a child's full name, age, grade, their teacher's name, favorite activities, and what they want to be when they grow up. Each detail may seem harmless on its own, but when those details are combined, they can reveal a surprising amount of personal information about your child, your family, and your daily routine. That does not mean you should stop taking back to school photos. Please take them, print them, put them in an album, include them in a photo book. Use them to tell the story of your child's school years. But consider creating two versions of the photo. Take one private version that includes the personal details you want to remember. Keep that photo in your family photo collection, private and secure. Then take a second, safer version for social media. Choose a neutral background. Avoid showing the school's name or logo, your house number, or location. Use only a first name or no name at all. Instead of listing the school, teacher, and grade, the sign can simply say, "Ready for a new adventure," "First day," or "Here we grow again." You can also tell the story without showing your child's face or personal information. Photograph the smaller details like the new shoes by the door, hands holding a lunchbox, the backpack waiting on a chair, or your child walking toward the school bus from behind. Before sharing, review your social media privacy settings and consider who can actually see the photo. But remember that anything shared online can be copied, saved, or passed along by anyone else. As your children grow, include them in the decision. Ask whether they are comfortable with a particular photograph being shared. That helps teach them that their image and identity and personal information have value. Photos are always important, but never urgent until it's too late. Take the back to school photo, celebrate the milestone, preserve the memory. Just pause before you post so the story you share does not reveal more than you intended. If this video gave you something to think about, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more practical guidance on organizing, protecting, and preserving your family photos. And leave a comment below. What questions do you have about your family photo collection? Or what photo-related topic would you like me to cover in a future video? Remember, use your photos to tell your stories so they will last for generations, but always share them with care.